And we're back.
No singing this time. Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
we'll keep it focused.
That's
on
right,
this one.
professional.
Professional.
The
Yes.
Trio Tech Talk.
Trio Tech
Nick.
Talks. Yes, and Mike, the
That's
Master
right.
Malone.
Guys.
We're going to create emails today.
Yes, we are.
And I'm going to say this probably throughout this entire session. Email is the preferred communication
Yes.
system.
Get used to it. Make
Yes.
sure you check your emails at least a day. Every day, every couple days. Seriously.
Mike, every day. Don't give him an out.
Well, some people get busy.
That's true. But, all right, so we email today,
Yes.
the preferred communication system at Kennebec Valley Community College.
Exactly.
So we want you to be a pro, and Mike's going to show you how to do that.
I'm going to start it off with over here in your quick links. Find the email. Just click on it. Just
That
click on
link.
email.
Okay. Ooh.
Okay. Again, this is your username and password. Everybody gets them when they go to their SOAR.
Yep.
I believe.
Same username and password for
Yep.
Blackboard, Portal,
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
Alma, which I'm
everything.
so happy about. Oop, you might have to hit the number
Oh.
lock
Okay. Where am I?
right there.
Oh, there it is. There we go. All right.
Ooh, what is this?
Hold on. Wait. Let me create new. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to find who do we want to find? We want to find Nick.
Sure.
All right.
So what we've done is you've created a new message.
Right.
In that little news section.
Okay. Let me go
then-
back. Okay. Sorry, guys.
And what I want to be sure is Mike's emails, he's okay with us looking into
Yeah,
his
yeah,
email. All right, good.
Yeah. Please.
Great.
All right.
So he's going to come up to new
Yep.
right there in Outlook. Got it. Here it is.
Okay. And like I said, I'm gonna have a lot more people in mind because I've been here a lot longer. So Nick's name will probably just pop right up.
So you populate that with who you're going to.
Yeah, see, there's Nick right there. All right,
If you didn't have that,
correct.
you could just type in nrunco.
Yep.
If you knew their email address.
That's correct. And a lot of you guys in Trio, you'll have business cards based off of Nick, Landy, or Portland,
Michelle.
Lisa, Michelle.
Yep.
They all have their emails on it, so that's what you just type that in. There's also another spot up here which is your address book.
Oh.
You can also do that. I mean, it all depends on how how comfortable you are with everything.
Yes.
Putting everything in.
Can you find me in the address book?
I can.
See what I exist as?
Come on, book. I don't know what
You might have to double click.
Yeah, it's not working.
Oh. Well,
All right,
guess what?
guys.
We're battling the Silverlight issue.
Yep, we are. Yeah, and it's blinking. So,
So
all right.
can we take a moment to talk about that, which is a common.
We can.
I'm
yes,
glad this
most
happened.
definitely. Yeah.
Because what happens is you will go if you choose. Remember we talked about browsers.
Yes.
So if you choose Google Chrome,
Yes.
if you're a student at home and you're excited and you go into Google Chrome and you try to do the search feature,
Yes.
you're going to run into this. It won't work.
You will have issues.
And
Yes.
yeah.
And with Blackboard especially,
Yes.
not just emails.
Right.
So yes.
So basically, what's happening here is the browser is not equipped. Yeah.
It is. It's got exactly it.
And that's one of the things about these Trio Tech Talks that we want to just keep highlighting is when you deal with technology and these things, you're going to run into roadblocks.
You will.
And it's navigating them. So you can certainly always contact Mike
Yeah.
or myself
Most definitely.
or IT, but ask these questions. So if you can't do that, if you can't do the search feature, you're going to have to know, you're going to have to type it in
Yes.
manually. So, Mike, let's do that right
All right.
here.
So, all right, we're gonna go right over here to Nick. All
There I
right.
am. So that's the two.
Okay.
You know who you want to send it to. You know their email address. You label it like a letter.
Right. You want to make sure that you put in the subjects. I'm just saying, hey,
Hey.
you know. But as you can see, there's some other letters over here. CC.
Oh.
Okay. This is carbon copy, which is who else you want to send it to. Like I was talking about with Landy and Lisa and Michelle. Okay, so let's put Lisa.
So you've already sent them emails in the past. So
Oh,
it saves
I've-
it automatically.
right.
Got you.
Many. there should be another one in here somewhere, but I don't see.
Yeah, when you go click on the two,
Okay.
it will open up a
Oh,
box.
that's what it is.
Yeah.
All right, I got you.
So what you might also see in there, it's not cooperating
Yeah, all
because of
right.
that Silver Lake
All right.
issue, but what you might also see in there is something called BCC.
Yes, right.
And that one stands for blind.
Blind. Yes, I almost said blank, but blind carbon copy.
Yes. I use this a lot, Mike.
Okay.
Because what I will do is I will send out, hey, come in to register for the spring semester to
Yep.
everyone. I have 60 plus advisees. But I don't want all of you to see each other's names.
Right.
I want to have
Personal,
some,
confidential. Yeah.
yes, but I want this thing to go out to everybody.
Gotcha.
So I will put my name, I will send it to myself.
Right.
And then in the blind carbon copy, I'll put all of my advisees. So they will see that the email was sent to me. They will get a copy of it.
Huh.
But they won't see all each other's names because I got to
Awesome.
maintain the
Yeah,
privacy.
most definitely.
So that's why we would use the BC, the blind carbon copy.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so the next part of this is just creating a simple email.
Okay.
Like I said, I've done the name, I've done all the things that I need to do. All right, so then I come down here into the actual body,
Yeah.
and let's see, say, hey,
That's so sweet. Mike.
yeah. So
Yeah.
hey, I just want to say hi and
Yeah.
send it out. Okay, so the other thing is that we're going to cover it in a different part, but I mean, we could actually highlight this.
All right.
I might not be able to. Yeah, no. Yeah,
There you go.
All right, cool.
All right. So how did you highlight?
All right. So with this, what I did was I left-clicked and dragged.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, there's going to be some formatting skills that we'll talk about down the road, but I just wanted to give you kind of a quick rundown.
As far as with an email.
Right, within an email, you can do the same thing.
Because I see Tahoma there and like a B and an I
Okay.
and stuff. I'm interested.
These are the styles. Okay, this is, and honestly, a lot of teachers actually have a certain preference. My English teacher actually enjoyed Times New Roman, which is right here.
Oh, that's the font.
Right, it's the
Yep.
font type.
Okay.
The size is where the 10 is,
Ah.
and normally you'll have a teacher that will tell you that a specific font size. Anyways, between 10 to 12 is their preference.
Yep.
You can either pick the drop down bar and go to 12, or you can type it in yourself.
Ooh, how big could we go like 76? Let's see.
I'm pretty sure you can get. I hate Silverlight. Okay, so the numbers that we have is 36.
Oh,
Okay, but we can actually
can go
in the
bigger.
in the actual box itself.
let's see what 76 looks like. Can you do that?
Yeah, it's not letting me.
I
Yeah,
don't-
Silverlight's acting up, guys.
All right. So 36 is pretty good.
Right. So then you have your bold.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then you have your italic. You guys will learn a lot of the stuff. What needs to be bolded, what needs to be italicized, what needs to be underlined.
Underline.
Um,
Can we
there-
go color? Can we
Yeah,
change the color?
most definitely.
'Cause I like red.
You like red. All right. Well, it's already set up as red, but you go into your drop-down bar,
Yep.
and it gives you a whole assortment of colors.
All right.
Okay. Oh, you can have no color or anything like that, but mine's already set to red.
Yeah.
Come on. All right.
Great. And let's see.
All right. So, and we can do increase indent.
Yep.
Or decrease. I'm sorry. Increase and decrease. This is there we go.
Yeah. So you can mess around with where
Right.
it's positioned.
So this will drop it right back where it was. Okay. Now,
Oh,
there you
perfect.
go.
I love it.
So
So that's email.
that is email.
That's the baseline. That's how to do a
Very
basic,
right. Exactly.
basic email. So we create new within our email.
Yep.
Once our email opens up,
Exactly.
we label it too.
Right, and honestly, like I said, there is other ways to actually get there, but 2 is the most used. The address book is actually quite helpful.
Yep.
But you'll have to add all your information into it.
Yep.
that you have, that you, like, almost like a Rolodex,
Yeah.
really.
Yeah.
Is what it really is.
And the address book is populated with any student, faculty, or staff that
Yes.
exists on campus. So if
Yep.
you know their name, you can search for them.
Exactly. Even if you don't know their whole name,
Yeah.
you can start typing it in and it'll bring it up. It'll populate it.
Yep.
So you actually see, okay, who is this? And, maybe it's a teacher, maybe it's a student, or whoever it is, and then you'll actually be able to cross-reference that, because it actually shows you if they're a teacher or if they're students or so forth. So-
Yes. And what will happen is that first week of class, you'll get something called a syllabus.
Yes.
Which lists all the information about the instructor, and they'll give you their email address
Yep.
right on that piece of paper, so you can look and type that in.
Exactly.
If you can't find it there. So then, to finish it off, the final touch is hit send, Mike, and where do we do that?
All right. So your send button is here,
Okay.
okay? So
So Lisa's going to get a copy
she
of that.
is. She's going to get a carbon copy. She's going to be like, oh, why did I get
What
this?
is going on? Awesome. Well, Mike, so there's the basics. We're going to go deeper
Yes, we are.
into the email world.
Yep.
And give you a little more, some more tricks of the trade.
Most definitely.
But we've introduced it.
Yeah, and like I said, guys, I mean, honestly, if you do have any questions or concerns or anything like that, and you don't feel comfortable talking to, IT or, somebody, find one of me, find myself or find Nick, and we'll make sure that we get you squared away.
Excellent.
Seriously, don't be afraid to ask.
That's our quote of the day.
That's right.
Don't be afraid to ask. Mike, we are moving forward. More to come. We're going to teach you how to attach a
Oh, that's right.
document
Yes.
on our next
Yep.
in our next episode. So stay tuned.